Hey Ed, what's up? I got my PA6 working for you. I do not have sound. I am gonna get to that later, but I figured I might as well drop it when I have the rest of the stuff in. So yeah, I got my shield working. I got my bombs going down. They're kind of small because I wanted to like be able to hit all the things, but you can kind of tell they're. Here, I'll make it a little bigger. They actually are updating with their different states. Sound like the squiggly one is like, going back and forth. Yeah, so I just want to make sure I deleted one of the shields to show that they're all different, and they all actually do delete when I kill them. The missile gets properly reloaded back in the ship. The bombs, once they hit the bottom, I just have them refresh. I don't have a timer set up or whatever, like a random timer. And then, yeah, the collision boxes for everything is working correctly, as it should. I'm shooting right down the middle. I don't know how the priority for that actually works. I think it's just because it checks the first one in the column. So it'll always go to the left one first if you like shoot right down the middle. Yeah. There you go. So, just brief walkthrough. I implemented a lot of your stuff, but one major thing I changed was the factory for the shield factory. I just send it. I made new sprite batches for each of the shields, so I send it the sprite batch name, plus I, because it's a enum or whatever, and then I'll just go within the create shield method, and then I basically just used your code for the actual implementation of like the different bricks and stuff like that. I'm gonna probably go back in and like clean this up so that it doesn't look so monstrous and horrible, but at least it's out of the game class and into the shield class. Yeah, for each of the things you activate game sprite, collision, attach. That stuff's pretty easy. Yeah, that's not really what you want to see. You see that this is the newer stuff, the collision pairs. Attaching the observers, so remove bomb, missile, and whatnot. And then here, I'll just check through the observers. I don't remember if this was part of it, but remove bomb. You just notify. I haven't done the mark for doom. I call it mark for doom instead of death or whatever. But yeah, so I have them just reset every time they die. The removes all work. Grid observer from the last one works. Ship stuff, the state changes. They all work. I don't have the I don't have anything in there to stop it if it moves too far left or right. But that seems like pretty easy to me. I think I'm going to put it in the ship itself and just have like a bool, and then like a collision with the left wall and the right wall, and then just set that bool. And then when it calls the move within the ship, instead of like tossing it to a state and having like 6 or like 8 different states for the possible combinations, I'll just have it, if it calls move left, check the bool. If it doesn't, if it is too far left, don't actually move it left. So the input stuff will handle all of that, and then the ship itself just won't move at all. All right, I think probably dragging on a little long here, so I'll let you go. Oh.